Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the second part of Jasmy. Now I was on the Discord here and I was talking about how Jasmy, literally I just noticed that it made a falling wedge, and I want to show you up this image on Binance. And I just noticed on the 4-hour time frame we were actually making a falling wedge, and I told them if this one happens then you're going to go back to 0.049. So you do want to join the Discord, the link is in the description of the video. Sometimes some important text can just become very quick update in form of a text all of a sudden, because the charts keep changing and you have to actually follow the charts. But we're going to talk about this one in detail, and if you want to take a trading course, guys, check out this course. The link is in the description of the video. Now let's dive into the charts as well, and I want to dive into the 4-hour time frame. I just want to make a quick comment on this one right now. All right, so guys, you know what, I'm going to tell you one thing, and my tradingview.com chart is actually based on a log scale. So if I turn off the log scale, you're going to see a very different pattern, and if I turn on the log scale, you're going to see the difference. So you see a little bit of difference right there. So when I was looking at the at Binance chart, okay, I noticed that the Binance had a falling wedge, and that is actually a falling wedge because the log scale is turned off. Okay, Binance by default turns off the log scale. If I turn it off, then notice how if I actually try to drag this like that, it forms a falling wedge actually. You see that? So it's really important to actually notice both of them, and it becomes very confusing. But if you actually pay attention to the tradingview.com and turning on the log scale, it looks like a channel more than a falling wedge. So it's a little bit, you can already notice this, that it wasn't looking like a falling wedge, but it was looking more like a channel. Okay, and then now you broke out. Now even today I told you guys that you might just break out of here and it won't go to this technical target. So I don't see Jasmy coming down to this technical target unless you don't make a fake out and then go back inside it, because what you did is you did something very bullish, and I'm going to tell you right now. All you've done, you've broke out of things, you're looking to back test the line here, touch the line, take the entry, and you're looking to go to the upside. Now, by default, the technical target of that falling wedge is going to be the 0.049, of course, from where you came from the wedge itself. But I do see and notice that this is some sort of a bull flag. Do you see that? This is like a bull flag, and I think if you turn on the log scale, that's actually a bull flag. So what's the technical target of the bull flag? You're going to take the top to the bottom right there, and this is where you're breaking out of the bull flag, and it seems like you're about to actually get to the 10 right there, to the 1 cent, I guess, and that's going to be like a whooping rise all the way to the 188% towards the upside. And that's believable. Okay, now unless the bull flag doesn't get invalidated, this bull flag is actually going to in play, and it's looking beautiful. Nice, good uptrend. Thrust, reaction, thrust, reaction, thrust, reaction, thrust. Anyways, now this is what I'm looking for based on the charts. Now I just want to dive into the weekly as well, and I want to check out the EMAs on the weekly. If we do have any EMA information, I don't know. It's not even available on the weekly. Maybe on the daily. Who knows? Okay, on the daily we do have the EMAs. Now what I do suggest though is that the daily EMAs make a bull cross right now. So it came down, it's holding the 55 EMA. I'm just going to zoom in here so that we can see better. And from there, guys, you do have the 10, the 20, and the 55, and we haven't met the cross just yet. But as soon as you're going to make that bullish cross like this, you're going to see this thing absolutely taking off to space. Okay, so in my opinion, it's still looking good. Okay, still looking good. You broke out of that falling wedge. You're looking to go back to where you formed the wedge. And on the 4-hour time frame, it seems like you made a bull flag. On the weekly, you've already made a ladder bottom, and everything is bullish right now on the charts for Jasmy. There's nothing bearish at all. So that's it for this quick update. If you still want to learn how to trade, the technical analysis, you want to be good on yourself, I do suggest you take the trading course. And that's it. I'm going to see you tomorrow with the detailed video. Allah Hafiz.